Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So we have a crochet collaboration kind of going on here. What it is, if you haven't seen the video, is I'm making a junk journal that's based on crochet. So I'm asking you guys to send in little appliques or little doilies, things like that that are crocheted that are flat. And some of you have sent some stuff in, and I'm going to link, I think I have a playlist for it right now, so I'm going to link that below if you haven't seen it. And if you'd like to participate, by all means, send in some little crocheted items that are flat so I can put them in this journal. And then there's a surprise at the end. This is open until the end of June, so there's still time, and it's worldwide. All right, so I got something in the mail. So that's what I wanted to show you. I have slid it open. I love this. Look at that button. That's a sticker. And then right here, this is her address, the address label that I, of course, covered up, her address. But look at that yarn ball. Oh my goodness. Where did you get these? Did you make these? I'm excited. You guys have been sending in some really nice stuff, by the way. Oh, that's really neat. Look at that picture. See what it is? Oh my goodness. Look how cute. Okay, let me just read this and then see if I can read it to you. You may say my name if you like. Pronounced Glenda. Dear Darla, as promised, here are some appliques for your junk journal. I hope they are thin enough. I really enjoy watching your channel. Thank you for all the tutorials, yarn hauls, Temu unboxing, and sharing your new hobby with us. That would be the paper crafting, but I'm still mainly doing crochet on my channel. Let's see. I don't do junk journals, but I enjoy watching you. Best of wishes, your friend Glenda. Well, I'm glad you told me, because I was going to ask you, how do you pronounce your name? Look at the sticker there, another button. We have a little heart, white and pinks and blue. All right, look at this beautiful little bunny. Pinks and blues and white. Isn't that cute? Look at the little ears. And they bend over. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Thank you so much. And look at that little ducky. Oh, with a bow tie. So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love them. Oh, here, I'm going to put you guys facing each other. Oh, there we go. They love each other. Thank you, Glenda. Whoever else is wanting to send things in, just, you can do it until the end of June, and it's open worldwide. Oh, I'm working on a crochet tutorial, something different. It's not a wearable. I think it would be very useful to have and take with you if you go out somewhere, or if you're sitting at the doctor's office waiting for your appointment, or whatever. You may need these things. All right. So thanks everyone again. Thank you, Glenda. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you. Thank you, and I'll see you again as soon as I can. Bye for now.